Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for spending a couple minutes with me. If you are new here, my name is Stina and I just try to share my thoughts on some beauty products that I use. I am no fancy guru. I am not someone who, does crazy makeup and, professional or anything like that. I'm just a regular person sharing my thoughts with you. And today's thoughts are about strong actives, specifically retinol and vitamin C. So I have here 3 different products that were a major issue for my skin. So the first one is the L'Oreal Revitalift 100% Pure Retinol Night Serum. The second one is the number 7 Radiance 15% Vitamin C Serum. And the third one is the also number 7 Advanced Retinol 1.5% complex. So first off, I just want to let you know, it's not necessarily these specific ones, it's these ingredients in general. So don't feel like this is the specific one that you need to avoid, but some other one will work fine. These are very strong, especially with retinol. You need to make sure that you are slowly adjusting and acclimating your skin to retinol. One of the things they suggest you do is to maybe, put it on, wait 3 days. Put it on another night, wait 3, so that you're slowly building it up. Then maybe you go to every other day. Maybe then you can eventually go to every day. I've used other retinol products before. One of the other ones that I use that I really like is the, what's it called? Hold on, let me go grab it. Okay, so the other one that I like is this Olay Retinol 24 Max Night Serum. I like this one because for whatever reason, I guess it's not as strong or not as concentrated as these. My skin has no issues with this. I was able to go right to using this every single day, no issues. Then when I got this, I was like, oh, no, I already been using retinol, not a big issue, let me try it. So put it on and I was like, I don't know. So then I was like, all right, let me do the every other day deal. And eventually my skin, it was like an allergic reaction. It was like my face was kind of swollen. It was all red. My eyelids were swollen. I don't even know how my eyelids got swollen because I didn't even put this on my eyelids. It was just not good. And it lasted like 4 or 5 days. I mean, thank goodness. I guess this is one of the times I say thank goodness you're wearing a mask because I was pretty much able to cover up a lot of it. But and at first I didn't realize what it was. I actually thought it was a reaction to the mask. I was like, oh, I don't know, maybe the crack that my message is getting across to you and that you will test this out. I don't know, maybe a little bit like over here, something that you can kind of hide with your hair. You know, you gotta do something to, you know, I just don't want you to have this face thing that I did. I mean, it was not good. I don't even want to show you pictures because no words. No words. So, please, just be careful. I just want to say, use a word of caution. These work great for a lot of people. Like I said, I was able, this one, no issues for me. And I use the Ordinary eye retinol cream. I've used the Rock retinol cream. No issues on that. So you really just got to test it out because some of them are stronger than others. So, hope that, you know, my little, you know, soapbox message here is helpful to you. If you did find this helpful, I would love for you to give this a like and subscribe if you want to hear more from me. Let me know down in the comments if you've had any experience with these or any other products that may have, you know, caused some sort of reaction or anything like that. And as always, stay beautiful. Bye.